Welcome to Premium WordPress Theme Development with Elementor. I am Fahim. Today video we will create basic requirement files and template hierarchy. So let's get started. First open WordPress directory, WP content, themes. Here create a folder. Open up the folder any code editor. I am using VS Code editor. Create two files, one style.css and another index.php. The two files must be recorded to make WordPress theme. In style.css file, we create some comment about our theme. Like theme name, theme URI, description, author, author URI, theme version, text, and index.php is the theme's main template file. Its content all template file. Let's check our theme. This is our theme. We still didn't add any image, so let's add an image. screenshot.png. This automatic show in WordPress theme image. Let's check. Oh, our theme is ready. Active this theme. Here is our all details. We need to create more basic file. One function.php, header.php, footer.php, page.php, single.php, archive.php, comments.php, search.php, .404.php. We need to create some folder. One, assets, second, inc, include, another is template part. If you want to better organize your theme, then you should to follow the template hierarchy. Search Google, WordPress theme hierarchy, open template hierarchy, scroll down, then open this image. It's showing that how template files work. If you understand it well, you can create any type of WordPress theme. So try to understand it very well. Hope you guys understand this tutorial. See you next video.